Hey everyone, I'm Ryan Grimes. I'm the president of My IT Indy. So October is Cybersecurity Awareness Month. And as an IT provider that works with businesses and specifically manages their technology, there's three areas that we've always focused on with technology and cybersecurity. The first one is the user. What's the user up to? What is the user doing? The second one is the computer. What's the computer doing? Where is it talking to? And the third one is the cloud. It used to be the network, but since the network has shifted to the cloud for the most part, we monitor the cloud to make sure the cloud is taken care of and safely protected. And those are the three areas of cybersecurity that we focus on with our clients. So in this video, we're going to talk about the second topic, which is the technology or the computers. So your computer, when you open it up, your laptop, you open it up and you start going out on the internet, you are accessing parts of the internet that are trying to not necessarily do what's nice. They're trying to gather data on you. They're trying to possibly manipulate you to click on something that will give them your personal login information. So we have layers of security we put on every computer that we manage. And if your IT provider or your IT guy says he puts antivirus software on your computers, I would seriously consider getting a second opinion, because antivirus software is not really the terminology that's used anymore. And it doesn't necessarily reflect the necessary protections you need in your business to make sure you're safe and taken care of. Typically, the software is called EDR, which is Emergency Detect and Response. So basically, it's looking to see what's going to happen on your computer before it actually does happen. And it's going to compare it to what it thinks will happen when something bad is going to take place. So your computer exhibits certain characteristics of a bad event about to happen, and the software can take action on it, and it can actually block your computer from getting on the internet, and can file a ticket with your IT provider or your internal IT guy so that they can help you get your computer taken care of. The second part of endpoint security is typically a DNS filtering. So DNS stands for domain name resolution. And it is what translates an IP address, which is like your house address, to a name like facebook.com or apple.com or microsoft.com. So when you go on the internet, you type in microsoft.com and you go to Microsoft's website. Well, that server that you're on has an IP address. So DNS filtering, what it does is it takes those sites that it knows are bad and doesn't let you go to them, or it doesn't let you view parts of other websites that may have bad components to them. So when you get that email and it says, hey, Ryan, your PayPal account needs verification from your bank, please click here to log in and verify that. If I click on that link and it's going somewhere bad, DNS filtering will not let me go there. It will actually stop me. It'll put up a splash screen that says, hey, Ryan, this is a known bad site. We're not going to let you go there. We're going to file a ticket with your IT provider or your in-house IT person, and we're going to let them know that you're having problems on your computer. If you're sure this is a good site, you can continue going there, but we don't recommend that. This allows for multiple layers of protection on your technology so that you can safely work from home or work from a Starbucks or work from your log cabin in the woods with your Starlink internet, wherever you want to work. This will help make sure your computers are protected and your employees can work from anywhere they want to, and allow you to safely operate your business technology. This is Ryan Grimes from My IT Indy.